Here's a before of the 1969 cb160, and this will be the first wave of cleaning. I actually just rode this bike around, so runs really good. It's missing the baffles and out of the exhaust, but the exhaust is really good and it's not too loud. And pretty much the front end's in good condition. It's got little dents and stuff, but this is the stuff I love. And just like my other cb160, it has damage on that side. But what's great is it has all the original cables and the levers. They still have that plastic film on the levers. And the steering stabilizer is still intact. And then it's got 5,800 miles. And the original grips. Missing the side panels, needs a new battery, missing a chain guide, and rubber pegs. But overall, this thing's sweet. And missing that little rubber piece on the rear fender. And the emblems. A friend of mine that used to work at Honda just gave me some brand new emblems, NOS, for I think a Super Hawk. So they'll work perfect for this one. So there you go. Clean it, and I think I got all the missing pieces, so it could be that theoretical easy restoration. And the tank's in super good condition, no dents, the pads are not cracked, the seat cover's original, and yeah, still says Honda on the back. And I haven't looked at the toolkit yet, but I guess there is a toolkit in there maybe. So I think finally this makes up for all the other 100 motorcycles I got that didn't run, didn't have a title. So there's a good before. And here's the after. So this was first go around. I had covered up the air filters, but they're always so hard to keep water out of, but those will dry out and always look spiffy. I think the paint will come out, buff that out, and I think that glaze will come off. And engine looks good. Looks like I guess that's just wear. Kind of look like yeah, it's JB Weld. So these are the type of bikes I like. JB Weld on that side. You got the damage on this side, and this one appears to be super original. And I did notice too that it's missing a kickstand, but I think I have one in stock. That's the beauty right now, is I've got 2 or 3 parts bikes. Actually, one I'm doing into a cafe racer that probably all the parts are going to this. So this should be my super cheap cb160. And then without the baffles, this thing's pretty zippy. So might have to look into seeing if maybe do some other mods on it to make it a little bit faster. My other one I've kept stock, and it's my 45, 50 mile an hour bike, but maybe this one will be a 60 mile an hour bike. So there it is, 1969 cb160, or that's what the title says.